Guys, just look how this place looks so beautiful. It's green, nature. I tell you, I keep on telling you guys, Africa is blessed. Just look how it's beautiful, man. The breeze, the weather, the trees. Man, it's beautiful, man. Just look at this tree, how it's beautiful. You can't, I don't think if you can hear can you hear this, the breeze? Oh man, it's so beautiful. Africa, we are blessed. So guys, I want to go to a football game. I want to go and watch football. We see how Africa we play. In Africa we play good games. So I've been waiting for Eugene.